So you document every place you go?
We do, we're documenting you right now.
Hello.
Good morning, we just woke up. Actually a really nice camping spot. Super cool, but actually both our shoes were full of dog food this morning. I think there's like a pack rat or something around here that filled them full of dog food. Okay, I hear a plane, but I don't see a plane. I hear one though. It should be coming in. All right, everybody, we just made it to this place called Sealy Lake, which is not on the lake, and they have bikes for rent, and it's beautiful.
Hey Bob, you got some visitors. Looking for insight. What are you looking for?
You. I'm Kyle.
Who I am?
You're Mike.
No, I'm not Mike.
Oh, you're not?
He couldn't make it.
Oh, that's too bad. Hi, nice to meet you. Sorry, Mike.
We heard we are two young people flying to all 50 states.
You're flying all 50 states.
Documenting the best places in America. The 170, the red and white.
170?
And we were told by two people that you were somebody we had to meet.
Really?
Here. Okay, so I guess there's gonna be a low pass from like a meridian or something. We're gonna take you for a ride, Leo. Not today, but tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow. Yeah!
That's what you want to get, is that look.
Don't thank me yet.
So you
can thank him after the ride.
Two passengers.
He's got it.
Pull back a little bit on that, and now you're going uphill and go down. There you go.
This is fun. So tomorrow we'll take him.
Tomorrow we'll go up. It's a little hot right now, and
It's hot and we've had a beer.
I'm hungry and. Is it stick? No.
Huh?
You probably didn't want a stick. They're in the box. I like how.
Nice farm truck.
I like how on the side of his vehicles he leaves there, he puts the address you're supposed to drive them to get steak.
Hey, where are we going?
I actually don't know.
Wow. We didn't make it into the lake. I'm hot now.
Shifter. Okay, the shifter doesn't work quite right.
Nope.
But we're hot, and we're also, the lake is cold and kind of gross, and we found some glass. I didn't want to go because we found glass on it. There we go. Every time we want to lock the truck, we have to break back in because there's no external key.
Don't mind us, we're just eating breakfast, and everything tastes like garlic. The second I open any of my totes, I'm like, oh, that icky garlic smell, and then now all of our food tastes like it too.
This garlic oatmeal.
It's supposed to be brown sugar.
Gives it that kick.
Yeah. Wake you up.
We are doing dishes.
I don't think Deanna and Emily would approve. There is no soap in this. It's very hot water though.
From Washington, D.C. and we'll back to ride with the adventure boat.
That was absolutely perfect.
Like, that was crazy. that was awesome actually. Thank you so much.
I tried to get him dashes to it.
Aww.
Yes.
We have to break into this car every time. Seriously? My arm's too big. Here. God, ow, ow. Oh.
I think I can fit my arm through the rest of it. I can get my arm.
You can do it. Sam, hold it. Hey. No, it's hot. I can get it. I can get it. I can get it. It's hot too.
Okay, well now we know that doesn't work always.
Ooh.
Yeah, let's burn ourselves. We're having fun at the beach today. But I lost my sunglasses last night, so All I'm doing is squinting.
You guys camera shy at all? I had to film
Are you guys
her.
from here? Yeah.
This is Jake. We randomly asked him to take us in his tube, so making friends all over.
Oh. There's Kyle. Did you get water up the nose?
A little. How'd I do?
Pretty good. I was surprised.
Okay. I told you to get your center of gravity bag. We're laughing at you. I told you to get your center of gravity bag. Oh yeah, he's losing it. How are you? I'm gonna come on with you, and I think they have to go.
That's not how you eat cheese.
We don't have a knife.
I did that when I was little and I got yelled at. You know how old I was? 5.
Well, I'm a grown man.
I have a knife.
Okay, totally awesome. We're going to this place that has burgers for sale on the lake.
I gotta get in on this.
Yeah, it's getting too hot to leave, so we're probably gonna be here for a few hours until it starts to trend down. Come on, Sam.
It's windy.
It is windy.
Actually, it's blocking it in that direction.
This is Bob.
Hey guys.
Apparently he's busy today.
Bob's from the Marine Corps, so I take it.
Was it actually signed for it?
No.
No. He was like, it definitely was. I'm like, I'm gonna ask.
Are you documenting every place you go?
We do. We're documenting you right now.
Hello.
We made it to Polson. It's pretty windy.
The wind's going to blow.
The wind is not conducive to us going to Ryan right now, and we're gonna hang out here for a few and then see what's going on. Ooh, Ford Taurus. You want the Ford Taurus or the Crown Vic or the Chevy Astro van?
It is. Give me my hat. Why do you get sunglasses and a hat? I don't have sunglasses.
You lost them.
I get a hat. You know Marin, when she drives there, she had to have her seat all the way forward.
You know the only thing that hasn't gone out of style? The human body. Take me somewhere. This is an adventure.
I love it when our days are always different from the next.
Well, I just wanted to get out of somewhere, you know?
Why are you screaming?
Why'd you scream at you?
It says that the door is open.
My door's not open.
I don't know.
I don't know, whatever.
Scream.
We got love that we'll never need to hide. Love will always rise above.
Hey, we're at our Safeway Starbucks.
We finally found a Starbucks. Unfortunately, it's in the Safeway and that kind of ruins it.
They have a signature cafe, it'll be fine.
Take my hand and let's fly away.
People stare at me when I vlog in public places.
Dinner.
Dinner? Ooh.
Yes.
Oh, I
Traditional.
wanted the other one.
What?
I wanted the pieces.
I know, they didn't have any pieces that were baked, not fried.
I don't want to eat like a heathen.
Okay, the wind out there looks a lot better. We got it. Skedaddle. 48 miles, so that's about a half-hour flight. So we'll go. We'll get there.
Now we're one with the sun over our heads, and at night we'll be the stars. go any place that we want to. I don't care if that's too far. Take my hand and let's fly away to another galaxy.